Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL section. In this video, we will see one more constraint named as default. Let's get started. Assume we have this create table statement and we want to create a new table, let's say employees 8. And I'll take an example of, let's say I want to add a column called a city, varchar of, let's say 30. Now, you can implement this default constraint anywhere that you want. As the name suggests, default means that if you don't pass any value while inserting the data, loading the data into the table, it will pick the default value which you will specify. So here's how you should mention it. You just say default. For example, I say London, for example. That's it. You create your table. And now I have this employees 8 for 1. What I'll do is I'll not include the city column in this and just run it and check once. Select star from employees 8. So you see the value London has been taken automatically based on the default definition that we define. This is what in short is about default. And if you want to pass any other city, then you have to explicitly pass it. Let's say for example I say NYC. Now what will happen in this case is it will override the default value. Run this, execute, and there you see. So just a simple thing. At times you would need this. All right, I'll show you more variations in this constraints, or not just this constraint, the other things also, when we'll increase our reach by learning functions like date and a few other functions. All right, but as far as default is concerned, this is the typical behavior. So until now we have seen 5 different constraints: primary key, not null, unique, check, and default, and these are the most important ones. Now the only one which is remaining is foreign key. But we need some more time and some more concepts before we come to that point. And we'll learn that at a proper time. And it is one of the most important things that you need to know while designing a database and tables. So this officially I would rather say it's somewhat like end of the first stage for us. And then going forward there, we are going to learn many more things. We are going to learn functions, we are going to learn joins and many more things. But I would advise you to just take a pause over here. Just revise everything until what we have done until here. See how comfortable you are. If you're not comfortable, just go back and revise everything and only then go further. Because it doesn't make point to go further as these things are going to be used again and again, whatever we have covered until now. So those are basics. And we'll not be spending time to repeat those things because it is expected that you know these things. Hence, I told you that you should be in sync with the course as we are releasing this, or maybe you would have taken this at a later stage in one shot. So make sure you take pause at appropriate intervals at proper time and then assess yourself to see how much you can recall. If not, go back and revise and then move further. That's it. See you in the next section.